Hi folks, hi guys. So today will be Seicento service. Continue. Yesterday I didn't manage to do much about because there was parts missing. Was not all of them available. One supplier said he can't have it, then he said he cannot have it. So fuck him. Went to different source, got the parts. They will be arriving today 2 o'clock ish. So I have to wait for that. In the meantime, I will be preparing for strip. So the front bumper gonna go out because I'm doing the timing belt, and it will be easy for me to drop the water, the coolant in it. Obviously, there's no coolant, there's just the water. So that gonna go out. Gonna go new fluids, new timing belt, new seals, new spark plugs, new spark plugs cables, and that will be it. And I'll let you know how that goes. Obviously, I bought that seal, it was hard to get it anywhere, so I went directly to Fiat in Reading. They supplied that seal, got it with me today, so it was just a 1 day wait. As you can see inside, doesn't look too bad, but because it was running on oil, or don't know, a bad oil, it got that kind of burns. So you can see that it's been used, but it doesn't look too bad. I didn't see any scratches, everything, or damages, so it looks good. Happy with it. Anyway, I drove it before, so it was perfectly fine. Another thing, the spark plugs. One went easy, no issues. That spark plug cable went out, but other ones, fuck, they just tacked together like someone put a super glue and then melted. So I soaked that in the WD-40, hoping they're gonna go. Obviously, I have to cut all of them to take them out and then take the spark plugs. So that's a pain to do so. But it was running perfectly fine. No issues whatsoever with the sparks. Smooth engine run. But I'm changing spark plugs, so I'm gonna do the whole set anyway. I'm doing timing, so 20 quid this way or another way doesn't make any difference to me already when I spend around 80 quid just for the service parts. Doesn't include the label because I'm doing by myself, but if you give it to someone to do it for you, you're looking around 150 plus to get it done. The timing belt hasn't been changed from new, as I can tell, because I got only 90k on the clock, and I bet that's some Fiat manufacturer. This is not too bad. That's worse, that's bad, but this is not too bad part. Some parts, like that belt, basically is missing the rubber, so you can literally see the rods or the wires, whatever runs in the belt. It's fucking toasted completely, so I'll be doing that. Surprised that didn't snap for so long time, but hey, what do you expect in this country? People usually they don't do them till the belt. This is nothing to do with the previous owner or something like that. It's just basically a lack of no service. So it's just generally car was fine, but do it once and forget about it. So the belt is toasted. I bet the pump will be in a worse condition or even same, because it runs on water, and the water fucking, it's beautiful state. So it's ginger color, so that will be fun, and I will be flashing everything through. Engine gonna have a treatment as well with the flash, and then new oil, new filters. The air filter is new, so I will stay. I won't be changing it. Spark plugs, spark plug cables, new gasket seal, new timing, new water pump, new fluids for cooling, new oil filter, and that will be it. Then I will do tomorrow, maybe tomorrow if I have got enough time. Tomorrow I will do. Oh gosh, tomorrow I will do the brake fluid, change the brake fluid all around. I don't know even the condition of it, but probably it will be fucking shot. So yeah, it is shot. So that needs changing as well. Ain't gonna go anywhere. Obviously, it still breaks, but if you try to rush it with it or toast it, then you get a spongy feather. So this sucks. So this has to be changed as well. So to be honest, I just opened it now for curiosity purposes. I never checked it before. So it breaks, but getting to that point when everything is spot on, then the heart has to be spot on as well to run perfectly fine. With that seal, it was a bit of trouble to get it, to be honest. Went through a couple places like GFS, Eurocar Parts Direct. I don't know what you're talking about. I show them pictures and everything. They got no clue. They just showing me no normal cap which goes on it. Probably there's a version without this or without that part when you just slam it on and zero the seal under it or whatever. But they don't know. So I went to Fiat, meet the old chap, and he said, yeah, I know what you're talking about. That'll be tomorrow, £3.50 plus the VAT. So £4.50 I pay for the seal. Happy with it. So I will get into it and I'll keep you posted as I go. Timing belt, straightforward. I will show you how to do it. Hope there will be no fuck ups on the way and no one gonna be disturbing me today. So I will do it quite easily. It is a tight spot place. The front lamp has to go out. Few bits and bobs, the covers and so on, and the oil filter as well, but don't want to fluff around. I'm doing the coolant change and water pump goes, so the bumper will go out, so it's easier, and I will do it that way to just save me time and messing around laying under the car just to get the lowest point in the vehicle to drop the fluids, cooling fluids and the oil as well, and put everything back new together. Obviously the oil will be changed when the timing gonna be done, so the car will be up to temperature. Then I wanna put a flash in it, leave it running for some time, drain the fluid, drain the oil, put a new one in, close it up, and that will be it. So stay tuned, guys. If you like it, or if you have any question, just drop me a note. Have a good day. This is hello and bye bye for now for Mr. B and adiuno. See ya, guys.